Hello, guys. Good morning. This is Emmanuel McDonald's, and so happy to come your way again today. The last time I made a video like this, or a video actually, was in January. I've been pretty busy since then, and I want to begin by first of all appreciating you and thanking you for being with us this new year. And I hope that this year would fetch for you all your dreams and heart desires. Okay, so without wasting your time, I'm not going to waste your time in this video. Okay, without wasting much time, I want to get straight to the point. Now today I have maybe two or three pieces of good news that I want to share with you, and I hope that this news would be of benefit to you. Now, the very first good news I want to share, I want to make this video, I want to keep it as short as possible, so I don't want to waste time. Okay, so the very first piece of good news I'm going to be sharing is very simple. Now, going forward, maybe once or twice a month or three times a month, I'm going to be sharing free educational and strategy videos. I'm going to be posting them on YouTube to teach you, to show you things that, certain trading secrets and certain trading strategies that will help you become a better trader, become someone that is that can be able to read the market, that will be able to read price in the market. So the videos will be coming two or three times, two or three times in a month. So it depends on how the month goes and how less busy I am. So at least in a month, we're going to have one video at the minimum. Every month, we're going to have at least one video, one educational video every month. So we're going to be revealing a lot in these videos, strategies, things that I would normally charge for. So I'm going to be revealing these things on this video. So please, if you're not subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure to click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to keep you updated when these videos are posted. Okay. Now, the second piece of good news I have today is actually very important too, because if you notice, I think that was on Friday or Saturday. Yeah, we had a poll inside the Telegram channel where I asked you, because I mean, if you notice, we've been having some powerful free signals on gold for the past 2 weeks. Okay, these signals have been very powerful. Many of you have made a lot of money with them, and I know we've had around 90% win rate with these signals. Yes, it hasn't been 100%. I mean, there's no strategy that is 100% perfect. And again, you have to bear in mind that with every strategy, you're still going to have your losing days and all that. So, but we've been having successful days because, our strategy is a solid strategy, it's a money-making strategy, and it's an in and out strategy. Okay. So we've made a lot of money with it. Many of you, someone sent me a message of, I think that was on Wednesday, or either Wednesday or Thursday, that he made about 350 US dollars with the signal that day, and that was the biggest win he has ever had trading, and I was so happy for him. Okay, so I want to congratulate you on using this platform again. I already congratulated you, but I'm going to be doing that again here. So congratulations on your big win. Okay, so on either Friday or Saturday, I've forgotten the day, we held a poll. I think that was on Saturday. Okay, where I wanted to know if you preferred to have monthly signals on gold. These signals are going to be more powerful than what we have now. The free signals, that's another piece of good news. Normally we agreed to have the free signals for just 2 weeks. So, but I have decided that the free signals are going to continue, but they're not going to be continuing on the same frequency as we presently have it. Okay. By the end of this week, we're going to be having it maybe 2 times in a week. We're going to have these free signals maybe 2 times in a week. Okay, that is all we're going to be doing from Monday next week. So the signals will be after this Friday. From next week, it's going to be 2 times in a week. It's going to just be in that format because they are free. Okay, so it's a way of giving back to the community. Okay, so I decided to find out what you would prefer, whether you would prefer to copy my trades directly on gold, or you would prefer to take the monthly signals. And it was almost 50-50. I'm sure maybe if I have, because I wanted to keep it at a deadline, and I didn't want to have it on for so long. But then I noticed that it was almost an even debate. Okay, it was almost an even poll. 52% of you wanted to copy my trades directly, while the other 48% wanted to have monthly signals, which is almost the same. Okay, so here's what I want to do, because of I had hoped, I was thinking that maybe one number would be greater than the other overwhelmingly. Maybe signals will be greater than the copy, or copy will be greater than the signal. But then I wasn't expecting that it was almost going to be even. So here's what I have decided to do. Okay, now each of these programs will kick off on the 20th of March. That's 3 Thursdays from today. So it's going to be kicking off on the 20th of March. We're going to be launching both the monthly signal program and the direct copy program. Now, the monthly signal program is going to be very powerful. We're going to be having 3 signals like we've been having, throughout for the past 2 weeks. We're going to be having between 1 to 3 signals every day, monthly. Okay, so it's going to be, now we're going to be having more than 1 signal every. That's just what I guarantee. We're going to be having with at least a minimum of 2 signals. Sometimes we're going to be having maybe 3, 4, 5 gold signals. It's going to be strictly gold. Okay, I have a strategy that is very powerful, that is 90% win rate on gold. That is amazing. Okay, so it's going to be strictly on gold. Okay, so we're going to be doing this beginning from the 20th. Now, the copy program too will begin on the 20th as well, unless maybe there's an unforeseen circumstance of which those of you that subscribe to it would be communicated to. Okay, now here's where it gets good. Okay, the copy signal, the copy program is going to, the first batch of it is going to last for 3 months. That is 90 days. It's going to last for 3 months from March, April, May. So it's going to last till 20th of May. Okay, so March 20th, May to May 20th. So that's 3 months. That's how long it's going to last. And so if you're going to be part of it, if you want to be part of it, where you directly copy my gold signals, what it means is that you don't have to be online when I mention this, because these signals, maybe you are not available when the trades are occurring, or when the signal is being generated or being given, and you maybe that's a disadvantage with the signal group. You might most likely miss the trade or not enter at the appropriate time the signal was given. But by the time you find it, price has moved. Gold moves very well. Okay, so gold is very volatile, it moves very well. So by the time you might have noticed the signal, you will not be able to take it. And then again, being able to manage your risk in terms of determining your lot size and all that, gold is not like the other forex pairs. It's very tricky, so you need to be able to do it right. So that is the benefit of the direct copy program. You directly copy the signal without being involved. So your trading account is linked directly to my own trading account. So everything happens simultaneously. If I make profit, you make profit. If I lose, you lose. So that's how it's going to be. Now, for that direct copy program, for that 3 months, it's going to cost you $100. For the $100 is just going to be for setup fee. Okay, there's also other things that are involved. I'm going to be talking about the broker we're going to be using to make this seamless, and every other thing that is going to be involved, how to link and all that. Every single one of these would be explained inside the group, but it's going to cost you $100 for consult, for the setup fee, for the gold copy program. Now, if you want the monthly signal program where you take the signal by yourself, the risk management by yourself, okay, that one is going to cost $80 every month. Now, the direct copy program is for 3 months. Remember, the other one is monthly. This one is monthly, and that of the monthly is going to cost 80. US dollars every month. Now I'm putting it in US dollars because we have people from different nationalities from various countries. So every payment is going to be quoted in US dollars. So the setup fee for the gold for the copy program is $100 for the 3 months, while the signal program is 80 US dollars every month. So guys, subscription starts today. Now for the direct copy program, I'm not going to be taking too much because I don't want to mess it up. I want to take a very limited number of people, and I want to take about 20 people on that. Then on the signal program, if you're as much as possible, you're going to be the one that is deciding when you're taking the trades. Okay, so but the direct copy program, I'm going to be taking just 20 people for that. Okay, for the signal program, we're going to be taking as much as possible. Okay, so subscription begins today. We start trading on the 20th. Okay, so the direct copy program, once the 20 people are full, the access will close. So if you want to be part of it, you better make sure you're acting now. Okay, now your minimum funding for your account between 50 USD to 100 USD is allowed. Okay, so you can fund for 50 USD, you can fund for 100, you can fund for 200, 500. That is your decision to make. Okay, you decide how much you can fund. Okay, again, I need to make an important disclaimer before ending this video. Trading Forex, trading synthetic indices, and all forms of leverage products carry enormous risk. So please, at all times, do not trade or invest money you cannot afford to lose. Okay, all right. So having gotten that out of the way, guys, I will leave it at that. The free signals will continue from next week. Yes, well, still this week we're going to have every day. We're going to have signals every day, as long as the tasks that are needed, you perform your task. You know what I mean by the task. Now, one of the tasks also would also be to give this video that you're watching right now a like. Okay, hit that like button. Once I get, if I get 15 likes between now and 1 p.m. today, I'm going to be sharing a powerful free signal. So if this is not met, then there will not be any signal for today. So if you want a signal, I want to have at least 15 likes on this video. Okay, 15 likes on this video, and we're going to have a powerful signal today. So guys, congratulations again. I know you've made money since last 2 weeks, and I know that it's been an amazing journey with you. I look forward to having you guys on board. Again, 20 people on the copy program, unlimited people on the signal program. The copy program is $100 for 3 months, and the signal program is $80 every month. Okay, so guys, I look forward to having you on board, and see you on the other side. Have a wonderful day ahead of you, a profitable day ahead of you. All right, God bless you, and bye-bye.